on today's tutorial, we will be learning how to make wrap dress. And trust me, it's going to take just 10 minutes of your time. It's going to be lovely. It's going to be wow. And if you haven't, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Then tell a friend to tell a friend that something really great is happening on this channel. We'll be using 2 meters to 2.5 meters of this fabric. This is just a typical cotton fabric. You can actually use, either a satin fabric, any soft fabric will do for this project. And this is 2 to 2.5 meters fabric, and we need 2 long fabric as well. We need 2 long fabric as well. This is 12 inches, 12 inches here by 40 inches. So we have like 2 of the fabric here, and that is basically all we need. The elastic band to put around. Remember that this is 2 meters. Facing like this is just 1 meter, and this is how it is folded into 2. So I'm going to sew along this vertical line and sew along this vertical line. Then we add the elastic over here round. So now that we are done sewing all around the 2 sides and the feet area, this is the waist. So we are going to fold it into 1.5 inches, like this, like so. Like so. Then you fold it again. But when you get towards the end of your sewing, you leave 2 inches for you to be able to insert the insertion of elastic band. And let's remember again that this is the waist area. We are going to fold it. First of all, we fold 1 inch and we fold it again into 2. And now we're going to sew all round through. This in, and this should be your measurement. When you take your measurement around your waist, minus like 3 inches because it's stretchy already, so you need something to grip you. So put it round. Measure around your waist, minus 3 inches, and so. So we'll put the coat in this way, the elastic band. sew this together. Put this together and sew. Then we tuck it in. When we're done putting in the elastic, as you can see, it's inside, so we won't stitch this 2 inches space that's left. So we're going to add this. Like so. And we add this one as well. So you will leave the space here depending on how you want it. The space you create here all depends on you at the center here. So this is what it's going to look like. This is what it's looking like now. The clothes, and you put it by the side where the joining of the skirt is. Where the joining is, this is where we stitch the side. So when you trace it, you come over here. From the end edge there, pin it down, then pull to allow this to accommodate it. If you see what I'm doing, can you see what I'm doing? So I'm putting this inside. I'm sewing from inside so that when I'm done, this is the outside. Okay. So we stitch. Pin it down. Then we're going to stitch like this straight down with the cloth stretched. Okay. So we put it in this way. Make sure it's aligned with where the thread that you use in adding the elastic is. Like it's aligned to it. Then this. Then pull, sew. You pull and sew and pull and sew until you get to the end. A little bit on the elastic band. So that's basically what we're doing, because we want when we're done so that it's folded as well. Okay. So when you get here again, you pull. So when we get to the end, you top stitch, and that is it. Oh, I don't know what happened.